Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 2.1 EasyBib add-on for your Google Docs. EasyBib is a bibliography creator using EasyBib. It allows you to easily create bibliography for your research papers and automatically cite books, journal articles, and websites. Select Add-on, select Get Add-ons, and then type EasyBib. You can find EasyBib within the add-ons options. You can see that you can install it for free in your Google Docs. Select Add, sync it with your Google account at CVUHSD, and then allow its access within your Google Doc account. Once it's done, you can select the option Add-ons and then select EasyBib Bibliography Creator. Select Manage EasyBib. In this example, I'm going to cite a website. I'm going to select Website, and I'm going to select the style. I want to cite this using APA style. Now I am going to enter the website and select Search. Once I find the website and the resource that I am using, then I select it. Select Add Bibliography to Doc. This bibliography is added to the bottom of your document. You can see the reference being added within the Google document. You can repeat the same process for books, journal articles, and websites. You can also do the same thing for YouTube videos. In this example, I have a YouTube video. I'm going to keep the same APA style and I'm going to search for the video. You can see that I have the video right here from YouTube, selected, and then add bibliography to doc. This will keep adding the references to your Google document as needed. Please note that EasyBib is not always 100% accurate. Don't forget to ask your teacher to provide additional resources and cross-reference APA styles.